What's up guys? Welcome to a new vlog. So ngayon i-feature natin ang tint ni Xpander. So ito yung pinakabit namin na tint. Yung windshield niya is actually just medium. But we came from a ceramic tint na super dark. So masasabi kong mas madilim to at mas mahirap makakita. Yung sides niya na in-install ni Mitsubishi Quezon Avenue, that is super dark. So okay lang yan. Pero itong sa windshield niya, although makikita nyo na sa camera na medyo malinaw siya, kapag nag-drive kayo, yun medyo madilim talaga siya sa gabi. And anyway, okay, so just a quick feedback with our Xpander GLX 2023. Yung driving feels niya is not to be expected na mabilis siya, as what have been mentioned to previous vlogs. Ano siya talaga, it's an MPV, so your goal is to transport your family from point A to point B and back and forth. So yun lang yung expected niya, although it's a 1.5 engine and it's a 4-speed automatic, hindi pa siya CVT. Medyo meron pa siyang, I should say, bagal. Kasi I came from MG5, it's a 1.5 engine and masasabi ko talagang mabilis yung hatak nun. Although, not to compare because yung body niya is just a sedan, mabilis pa rin hatak and CVT yun. So, it's a 2020 MG5 CVT compared to a 1.5 engine 4-speed automatic. Ayan. Kapag take over ka, overtake ka rather, medyo ramdam mo talagang mag-shift yung gear niya. And kapag mag-overtake ka, kailangan mo talagang medyo bombahin pa yung makina para maka-arangkada ka ng todo. But overall, we are so satisfied considering these are what we have considered. Yung engine niya is 1.5. As of now, we are averaging 10 kilometers 10 kilometers per liter gas consumption. That is combined city driving, mixed highway traffic. So, for me, I would say na medyo above average na matipid siya because my MG5 only had 8.5 kilometers per liter. So, on that note, I would say na yun talaga ang average lang. But for this to have 10 kilometers per liter, considering it's an MPV, 7-seater, matipid siya. Matipid. So, we will post an update yung sa gas consumption niya when we reach 1,000 kilometers and so on and so forth. 5,000, yan. We will post an update. But overall, we are so satisfied with our Xpander. Our previous option was the Avanza 1.3 ECVT. And good thing, hindi naman sa pangbabash, but the reason why we switched from a sedan to Xpander is because we wanted to have higher ground clearance since bahain nga dito sa Metro Manila, and we are sort of a big family, so we opted to choose the Xpander 2023 model. So ayun, if you are thinking to get the Xpander Cross and just the Xpander, and you're on a budget, I would just suggest to get just the regular Xpander because the additional 300,000 pesos, I think is not that worth it considering na same ground clearance, same engine, 4-speed automatic. Ang mga pinagkaiba niya lang is the additional body claddings, additional design dun sa katawan ng Xpander Cross. But all other stuff, engine, ground clearance, yung mags niya, maganda niya. 17 inches alloy wheel. So, ayun. Yun ang masasuggest ko sa inyo. Just go for the Xpander GLS or GLX. We opted for GLX because gusto kong talagang tatanda na siya this time sa amin. Kung 20 years or so, why not? We opted for a much more analog na kotse. Not to bash yung mga push start, because I actually enjoyed the tech that my MG5 or MG5 had. Push start, yung mga automatic na side mirrors, yun ang nakakamiss. Kasi dito sa part na to, medyo struggle pa, lalo na pag umuulan. Kailangan mong talagang itulak, itupi manually. But other than that, kung reliability lang din naman, I believe MG5 would, Mitsubishi Xpander would be able to provide that. So, ayun lang. At ito na, nakauwi na kami sa bahay namin. Medyo may kailangan lang ng assistance from my wife when parking, kasi medyo makipot yung garahe namin. But I guess that's about it. Thank you guys for listening and watching. I hope to post more updates about this unit, Xpander GLX Automatic 2023. Ingat kayo, drive safe, and God bless. Thank you.